Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm still recovering. Having said that, I would really request you guys before I go ahead with this vlog, please hit that subscribe button, show some love. It would really mean a lot. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that. In today's vlog, I will be taking you guys along with me to the vet because our fur babies need to get their checkup done, as we have already received a message from the vet saying B and Bella need to get their checkup done, and Bella has her third vaccination pending yet, so today they are going to do that. So it's their main brunch, which is based in Richmond, and we will be heading out now, and I will take you guys along. Let's go. It's a task, guys. When we take two of them to the vet, we are taking both of them to the vet, and it's a task because they know when their bag is ready, basically, they know that they have to go to the vet, especially B, the older one. She hates seeing the vet, she doesn't like the vets at all. So it's a task to actually catch hold of her because she hides under the bed or somewhere or the other. Bella is a little easier to catch hold of. So I am trying, and Malbert is also trying to get B. Finally, Malbert got hold of B. Where was she? So we need to actually get a bigger bag for her now, you know. No, I put her, then later I can expand. She will. Just make sure that you close this quickly. Yeah. So guys, finally we have left. We are on our way now. And look at this girl. She hates, she hates being in the car. And Bella is actually under the seat, under my seat. And we have to carry one small tray which has their cats, and because the last two trips when we didn't have a car and when went with the Uber, B did a blunder. B and Bella also? Yeah, both, but mostly B. B had actually, just before we could get home, she peed, guys, and I was like in stress because obviously we were in somebody else's car, and in her bag only, and luckily we had put some towel and all of that under inside the bag. So and I was completely drenched. My jeans and all was like totally drenched. Basically I was drenched. She peed and she was on me. That was a good part. Otherwise the seat maybe would be all in in B's pee. And even Bella did the same, so from then, like, we kind of leave them now in the car, and we also carry one small tray which has their cats in, which is a little handy for us. So she is watching outside. Yeah. I think while coming I might have to sit behind. No, this flap is a bit hard, no, and it can take her weight. But I hope she doesn't pee there. That's the only thing, because there's a tray down here, and sometimes she is a little cuckoo in her head. She'll pee anywhere she wants. Pee? Hi. I have no idea what she's doing. She's just sitting and watching behind. Come. Hi. Where going? Hi, Baba? My Baba. Hi. What? She's all nervous, wondering what's going on. Hi. Because she's never left in the car. She's always in the back. Bella is always left, not B. So once we are about to reach, I will let you guys know. So guys, as I had told you, the tray is quite handy. The moment we got them inside, they were very scared, very nervous. One of them have already used it. Either B or Bella, somebody peed. And both are now sitting next to me. And Bella is actually shivering. She doesn't like the car drives. She hates them. B is at least kind of used to it, but she's also breathing a little heavy. Because I think we don't take them mostly out, so they don't like it and they're not used to it. So I'm sitting behind now with them, just to calm them down. So I hope we reach a little faster. There's a lot of traffic ahead, so let's see. It's a little dark, but finally we reached, and Malbert has taken Bella first because it was her appointment at the start. Let me just put on the light, hold on. Yeah, so much better. Then next is B. Normally this girl never sits or allows anybody to touch her, or she doesn't sit with anyone. Or like last time I already told you, she's like the princess. She likes to be in her space, but whenever she comes to the vet, she just becomes like a baby. She literally hugs like a human, like literally. There are some of the photos. The way she hugs Malbert or me when she's at the vet, and even now the way she's sitting on me, she'll never sit like this otherwise, only when she's at the vet. No, we have reached finally, and B is going to see her doctor. The vet is gonna do, she's gonna give you injection. Yeah, no, she's just gonna check you. Okay, okay my love. She is breathing a little heavy, but she's okay. Next time I should carry a little bit of water for them so that they are not dehydrated. What you're looking at? You can see any of your friends out there? I don't know what she's searching, and she's scared of that viper there. B, can you see anyone? Your daddy is coming or no? She's scared of that viper, guys. This is the only time I can actually squeeze and hug her, because otherwise she doesn't allow. She hates it, and I love it. Bella is here, and now it's B's turn. Good girl. Bella is here. Bella is here. Hi, my baby. Hi, my baba. She's got her vaccine done. Finally. So guys, B is already here, and she's in that tray now. And once she's gonna be okay, she'll come up. And Bella is here with me. So the vet has said that Bella is actually very healthy, touch wood. But what about B? What? Why?
Booster was required for me.
Yeah. So basically, the vet has said that we need to get Bella again in 1 month's time for another booster. B also got a booster basically today. Bella needs a flea treatment, and B, Malbert had already done. Like last time, you must have seen it in one of the videos, guys. So only flea treatment for Bella is needed. B is sorted. So I think we'll have to see the vet in another month's time. But for now, we are heading back. So guys, finally we are home, and both are hungry, me and Malbert. So we are going to have some fruit, and I think Malbert's cutting papaya. So Malbert has cut some papaya pieces, and we are going to have it. Mmm, sweet. You know that saying in Konkani, Attule kutta, bittule hata?
But Attul were brothers and sisters. Sister.
I'm just saying it's a saying. So he's cutting and I'm hogging. So guys, we are going to Sainsbury because Malbert ordered a hard drive, and from Argos. The collection is from Sainsbury, so we'll be heading out again now, and I hate going out once I'm home, but we gotta do this, so let's get going. Guys, it's pouring out, like literally such a bad weather, and I don't like coming out like this, once I'm home. I want to stay nice and warm. It's raining, it's cold. The worst part is once we come back home, we need to find a parking, otherwise we'll have to sit in the car, I don't know for how long. So let's just hope for that. Fingers crossed. What were you saying?
It's a nice weather to go inside the blanket, take a cup of tea, some nice bhajiyas, and
Yeah.
be nice, cozy.
Actually, it's that weather, like a cozy weather, no?
Yeah, if
Just
you are
to
inside
stay
the
indoors.
house.
Indoors, yeah, indoors. Like, why did you ask for a collection in Sainsbury though?
Because it is easier. Because
No, they
Because-
could easily get it delivered at home. And there is a slot, like you have a...
yeah, the delivery charges were like 8 pounds, 9 pounds.
Oh, that's why.
And the SSD is almost expensive now, so I don't want it to be misplaced.
Yeah, this time the hard drive that he got.
In direction, not a hard drive,
Huh?
SSD.
Oh, sorry guys. All this while I thought it was a hard drive that we are going to collect, but it's the SSD that we are going to collect, not the hard
Solid
drive.
state.
Sorry about that.
Because it is faster than the hard drive.
Because it's faster than the hard drive, that's what Mark is saying. So we are on our way now, and I hope once we are back we get the parking like the moment we reach. Otherwise we are gonna waste some more time in finding a parking, and that's the worst thing in Southall, especially when you don't have a driveway, and if you have a street parking, then it's the worst thing, because to find a parking it's a task. So let's hope for the best.
Yeah,
We'll
we can
see.
have
And
if we don't get parking, then we'll get chai and some bhajiyas and sit in the car and enjoy the weather.
yeah, actually we can do that, no? It's not just like raining, but actually it's cold outside. I can see Argos right in front there. Do you want to tell what you did?
Yeah, I forgot the Argos card because I didn't know that it is required.
No, you read it as
read
you need a proof of
proof
ID.
of
Basically, Argos card is a proof of ID. That's what they said. So now we are going to do some damage to our pockets, to our wallets. Because, guys, we got one.
Yeah, damage start.
We picked the bed cover and there was nothing else to buy, so we kept it back. And now we are come to TK Maxx. So fast, he's only up to sweets. He stopped here because of this. Yeah. Yeah, look at your face. Guys, we haven't got much.
Machi? This is not a machi.
Emotional, damn it!
We got a bed for my baby. Any of them, both of them can go in this. 2 shirts from Albert.
Shirt?
And-
One shirt it is.
2.
Eh? No, which all everything.
What?
Which all
That's mine.
And which two shirts?
These 2 are for you,
That
and I think 3 or 4 are for me.
Yeah, boy.
We came for...
SSD. But
It's your fault.
we landed up
And we ended up buying some other things. I got clothes. We did quite a big damage to our pockets. And tomorrow we just have to come, pick the SSD and go straight back home. So I hope we do only that. But we'll definitely try the clothes that we got, and if it doesn't fit us, then we will definitely return it because we're coming back to borrow here. Finally, we have reached back home, and
shopping.
yeah, like always, ended up shopping, and
We didn't get the thing what we
whose fault?
My fault.
So anyway, now we'll
We'll have to go tomorrow
yeah, but then
But
just for the
that-
SSD.
and come back home.
The babies are resting. They are not quite. I think
Bella is okay.
Bella is okay, but B, what happened to B? Because of the booster.
Yes, so she's
I
always
think-
like that.
So
Okay.
she's kind of resting.
Bella is a tiger.
No, Bella is my
Bella
tigress.
is a good girl. Okay, guys, so let's end the vlog now. B, you want to say bye, my baby? You don't want to say bye?
No.
You don't want to say bye? Bye. you need to be behind because I'm short, you're tall, and if you don't step a little back, you won't be seen.
Back मतलब बाहर पड़ता ना.
Let's end the vlog now. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog and our fur babies. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. It would really, really mean a lot to us. You guys are watching my videos, but haven't subscribed yet. For whatever reasons, guys. If you didn't get a chance, if you did not get any time to do it, please do it. It would actually help grow this channel, and we are growing together, guys. Let's build this family together. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye. And this big bag is full of my things and less of Malbut's things. Let's see if any one of them is going. Malbut is getting Bella.
Bushu, go. He doesn't want to go.
Bella? Your new bed. You need to go inside there. The vet was saying?
Bee is very pretty.
Everyone said that, you know.
You're pretty. You're pretty.
And
Shinta.
naughty. You know it's gonna fit. Fail, guys. Both the tries are failed.